Hi there, and welcome to another episode of Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the channel today and joining us on this episode. Right, so as you can see, it feels like it's taken forever and it should have been done a long time ago, but here we have the Mclaren Senna on the Tamiya E228 chassis. So it's done, and I can honestly say I'll be glad to see the back of it. Yeah, so if you remember the unboxing video we did for this, which I shall put a link into the description, I talked about doing this in cobalt green. That was the colour I was going to do because I picked that colour for it ages ago as soon as I saw this car was coming out. Anyway, so I got it and I got the paint, and then I realised that after watching Gav's video on RC Kicks, you had to as you can see around this area here and around the back here, you had to mask all that off in black, and I think there might have been a bit of work around here. Now that all needed to be masked off in black before you could put on your main body colour, and I realised that I haven't got any black, so I ordered some black as well. And then the more I thought about it, I thought, oh, I don't even have any proper masking fluid to do it. I'm not very good at that anyway. So, and I also saw how good Gav's was when he finished his, and I thought, I'm just not up to the standard of that sort of doing the body shells. It's just beyond my talent. So I sort of started doubting myself. Really, thought, I'm just never going to do a good job at this. So it kind of put me off a lot. And then other things got in the way. We got the Genova buggy in and stuff like that, and yeah, anyway, I thought I've got to get it done, so what am I going to do? So I ended up finding some flip purple and green iridescent paint, so I thought I'll do that, and what I'll do is, because it's a quite darkish looking body, I thought I'll give the whole car a coat in that colour, and then I'll put the black spray paint on top, so you can see that colour all over the car, and then we'll do that as the main colour of the car. And then I'll just apply the decals as best I can. And this is the finished result, which I do like the colour actually. It looks nice. And the decals are a pain to get right. You've got to be really precise with them. I've done an okay job again. I'm not the best at doing decals, and this is not an easy car to do the decals on. But I think, you know, we say it's a 10-footer, maybe a 2-footer. But it's alright, it looks okay. Now, admittedly, I did make a bit of a mistake when the iridescent flip paint went on first, as you can see around there. Fortunately, it sort of blobbed out a bit. It'll be alright, but it's a bit annoying, because the rest of it looks alright. So yeah, so anyway, it's done. It's a nice looking thing in the end. It is one I won't be keeping, I'll be moving it on. Well, the shell and the unbuilt TT02 kit. This is actually my TT02 chassis that I have anyway. Stone. So yeah, anyway, it's done. I'm going to show it you running, and then this one will probably be moved on. Right. Anyway, let me know what you think of it. I'd like to hear you, see your comments. Let me know. But yeah, it's a nice looking thing, but it's a pig to do. Right, okay, so the car itself, it's, well, I'll say, standard torque gene motor. It's ball raced, it's got alloy prop shaft and drive cups, and it's got a few other little bits and pieces, but, you know, other than that, it's on the torque gene motor you get in the kit. It's still on friction dampers. I didn't have time to swap some oil dampers for it, which will go on this chassis anyway, because it's mine. But yeah, anyway, so you'll probably see a little bouncier than I'd like it to be on here, but let's give it a bit of a go. It does look nice in the sunlight though. Right, anyway, here we go. And yeah, it's on a torque tune, but it's not terribly slow. And it is low down, so you can hear it clicking the odd stone. But it does drive nicely. Can't say otherwise. It does drive pretty nice. mean, the body shell's pretty low down on this, but I don't think it'll cause any damage to it. Trying to get it to do a donut, but it won't. Oh no, there we go. Well, there you go. That is the Mclaren Senna by Tamiya on the TT02 chassis. It is done. Now, what I didn't do, as you can see, there's a lot of window sort of space on this car, so you can quite clearly see into the chassis. So it would benefit from probably smoking out the windows or having a cockpit in there, which I've not done because with not keeping it, I'm not going to start just throwing loads and loads of money at something I'm not keeping. But yeah, but it'd be quite easy to at least smoke the windows out. Anyway, there we go. Quite fun to drive. I do like the TT02. It is a safe platform and they do drive quite nicely. But there you go. That's it. McLaren Senna TT02 by Tamiya. Done and dusted. Hope you like seeing it go. It does look nice when it's driving about. Right, okay. So we'll see you on the next episode soon. Look after yourselves and take care. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. And also come and find us on Facebook and Instagram under Andy Robinson RC. Right, look after yourselves, take care, and we'll see you all soon. See ya.